everyone, a very warm welcome to Hiatuzacademy channel. I am Shanti, and in this video we're going to talk about how as a woman you can establish a successful career in an industrial job. Now what are my credentials in this is that I have an industrial job experience. I have worked as an electrical maintenance engineer. Now there are two barriers that need to be crossed if you want to establish a good career. So the very first barrier is the hiring process itself. So what happens is a lot of companies do not prefer hiring women, and the reason that is often told is that it is a physically demanding job. But of course this is changing a lot primarily because the women representation is being given a lot of importance. And also over the years of hiring so many women, people have come to understood that there is a certain kind of qualities that a woman can get to the job which is traditionally not seen. So this is the reason that hiring process has become a little better these days, but you still need to be very good and maybe sometimes better than your male counterparts in order to get a job. The second barrier is after you get the job, there is a sort of looking down on you by your male co-workers or your male bosses, and there might even be high expectations that is set on your behalf, which might make all of it very, very intimidating. So what happens is when you are working in an environment which is traditionally dominated by men, then there is a certain way of doing things, and this way of doing things is more natural to men. So if a work is given, then all men probably naturally tend to do it in a certain way, okay? But as a woman, you may tend to think differently, so you might think of a different way, and that feels more natural to you. But if you are doing it that way, then because it is unnatural to the other people who are more used to the other ways, they might even make fun of you just because it's different, not because it is wrong. So how do you exactly overcome this barrier is in the first 6 months to 1 year, you should not beat up yourself over the way you are performing. Forget about your performance. Instead, observe more and learn more. Just learn whatever you can get, whatever you can see. So gain the knowledge of the industry, how problems are being solved and everything. And also observe the people that are around you, how they are behaving, what is their mentality, what is their way of solving, because finally you will have to deal with these people also. When you're working in a job, doing the job is one part and also dealing with the people is the second part. So for the first 6 months to 1 year, don't beat yourself up, just observe and learn. And after that, you will get a sense of confidence. So even if people are making fun of you of doing in a certain way, then it will not really affect you because you have had enough observation to know that this is gonna work. Alright, so this is how you establish a successful career in an industrial job. That is all for this video. If you found this video helpful, then connect with me on LinkedIn. We can have more discussions around this topic. And of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.